Guangzhou QLQ Enterprise Company Limited is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou, China. QLQ is a professional company helping customers set up zipper and slider factories, from machines to materials and technical support. QLQ has its own mold factory. There are grinding machines, electrical discharge machines, polishing machines, engraving CNC machines, and so on. Here are our machines for all kinds of zippers. We have factory for slider, including automatic die casting machine, automatic separating machine, slider assembly machine, intelligent slider painting machine, and so on. We are making all kinds of zippers, including metal sliders, plastic sliders, nylon sliders, and invisible sliders. We also have long chain zipper factory. They include nylon zipper coil forming machines, sewing machines, plastic zipper teeth injection machines, tape ironing machines, and other machines. We have quality control department. All products will pass technical inspection before delivery. QLQ keeps investing on working environment and teams, including innovative sales and technical service teams, meeting rooms, live broadcasting, samples room, and so on. Welcome to our showroom for taking some samples, including various sliders, buttons, such bag accessories as O-rings, D-rings, different buckles, jog hooks, bag chains, and other bag accessories. It also shows all kinds of zippers, including nylon zippers, invisible zippers, waterproof zippers, metal zippers, and any other custom zippers, leathers, and other products. Please remember QLQ, that is quality plus lower cost plus quickly.